Alright, today I'm changing out the LED on this compressor pedal. It is a little dim. Sometimes I can't even tell if it's on. So, we're going to change that out today. We're going to get that changed up. So, here I'm just unscrewing the back. That way I get into the insides. Pulling off that battery door and that battery compartment. And, taking off the screw that holds on the board, and off go the knobs, yoinking them boys off. Just trying to crack this little SOB open. This is a DoD milk box compressor, and you already know we about to milk it up with this bad boy. So as you can see, just getting off the hardware, holding on the potentiometers, as they're called in the industry, getting that all off there. Now this is important. Save this stuff. Make sure you put it somewhere very special. You don't want to lose it. Alright, now that that's out of the way, take that clip off, and here's your board. There's the culprit. There's that little stupid diode. That thing's so dim. We're going to swap it out. We're getting rid of that thing first, though. So, just taking the hot pokey bit and just kind of yanking it off. I'm definitely no expert. So, just, be careful. Be careful with the hot pokey bit, for sure. There we go. It released. It's out. It's gone. Don't got to worry about it anymore in its dimness. So, here's the replacement, a nice milk-toned one, a nice white milk. It's called milk white. That's the color, actually. It's perfect for this. This is a milk box, so there's milk white. So now I'm just putting the hot pokey bit back on there. I got solder, and I just say the bigger the gob, the better the job. I just puddle it up and hope I don't mess nothing up. But there it is. It's connected. Oh yeah, snipping off the ends. Yeah, get that nice and cleaned up. Everyone gets a ring here, and we're gonna shove it back in its hole. I forgot to put on the clip, but I fixed it, don't worry. Movie magic. I got it. I got it clipped up. Now I'm just reassembling it. Just the reverse process of how we got into this mess in the first place. A little hand tighten, pulling out the old socket, getting them snug. These don't really gotta be all that tight, in my opinion. Getting that screw in there, screwing it in. And that screw cooperated pretty good, so I like that screw. We're buddies. Okay, battery compartment, battery door, all back in place. Got the nice DoD logo there. Getting the back on, lining her up, and now these screws, however, are not. These ones aren't really buddies with me like the last one. This one went in alright, and then we go around the corner, and there's this guy. He cooperated. That's all good. But this guy, magnet on my screwdriver, gets him. Bam! Falls off, man. I was able to recover it, thankfully. And here comes the airplane. Alright. Clicked in, screwing that thing in, and come on. There we go. Alright. Last screw. Getting her did. Putting on the knobs, just shoving them right back on where they belong. And yep, that's pretty much it. We're hook it back together. Let's see if this LED wants to work for me here. So, moment of truth. And boom! We have milk. There's the milk box with milk tone color matched LED. What more do you want? Anyways, thanks for watching. Maybe if you're lucky you learn something, or you know, at least something happened in your brain that was worthwhile, I'm hoping. But yeah, that was it. That's how you do it. That's how you make it good. So thanks for watching.